Hello, and
Parang teacher.
hi, can you open your camera? Hi, where are you? I can't see you.
Alam
Hello,
sound.
can I see your face? I can see you, and
Ah, there is no-
hello, and can you switch your camera into your face so that I can see you, please?
Camera is stuck.
Can I see you?
Camera is broken.
Let's tell your brother that teacher can't see Anne. I want to see Anne before we proceed to our class. Hello. Okay, so before we'll start, let's have a energizer first. And then after the energizer, I want to see you, Anne, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see you, please. Switch your camera on so that I
It's
can see.
recording.
What? What did you say?
Definitely
Hello,
talk.
Anne.
With
Let's dance, Anne. Can I see you, Anne?
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together. Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together. Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together.
Hasta la mina loca.
Okay, since we're done and our energizer, Anne, can I see you, Anne, now so that we can start? Hello, Anne. Where are you? Are you still there, Anne? Hello, Anne. Are you still there? How are you, Anne? I want to see you. Can I see you? Can I see you?
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't see.
Can you switch on your camera, please? Okay, so that we can start. Okay, and since you don't want me to see you, let's start our discussion for this evening. Okay, and we will be discussing about places. Can you say it, and places? Hello, Anne. Can you say places?
Places.
Very good. Places. Okay. So now let us read one by one each places, and then we will be making a sentence. Okay. Out of these places. Okay. So let's start and let's have number one, which is the, can you read? Hospital. Hello, Anne. Can you repeat after teacher? Can you say hospital? Can you say hospital?
Hospital.
Very good.
Hospital.
Okay, let's have a sentence about hospital and people who are sick needs to go to hospital. Okay, let's read this one and people can you read with teacher and people who are sick needs to go to hospital.
To, and to go to the hospital.
Okay, so people who are sick needs to go to the hospital. Very good, Anne. Okay, so let's proceed, Anne. Oops. Okay, so let's proceed to the next word. What we have here is school.
Cooler.
Okay, this is a school. Did you go to school today, Anne? Did you go to school?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a sentence about this one. School.
Cooler.
I wake up early because I need to go to school. Okay. Again, and let's read this one. And I wake up early. Hello, Anne. I wake up early because I need to go to school. Okay, can you read it now? I wake up early. Hello, Anne. I wake up early because I need to go to school. Hello, Anne. Are you still there? O- Okay, again. I wake up early because I need to go to school.
The cool. Đọc to.
Okay, very good. So we need to go to school every day. Very good. And how about number three? This one, home. Can you say, Anne, home?
Home.
Okay, this is a
Home.
home. Okay, so home. Let's make a sentence and about home. Okay. I am so excited whenever I am going home. Okay. Let's read this one and okay, let's read. I am so excited. Hello, Anne. Can you read? I am so excited whenever I am going home. Okay, can you read it, Anne? I am so excited. Hello, Anne.
Hello, teacher.
Please, can you read this one? I am so excited. Hello, Anne. I am so excited whenever I am going home. Okay, where is your home and um what is the address of your home? Okay? So your home is where your parents, your brother, and you are living. Okay? So that is home. Okay. If you repeat after teacher Anne, I will buy you an ice cream. Do you want ice cream, Anne? How about the last one? Let's have restaurant. Okay, can you say it, Anne? Restaurant.
Teacher.
Okay, restaurant. Okay, so restaurant is where people are eating. Okay, restaurant is an establishment that sells food, drinks, okay,
Ah,
dessert. Okay, have you been to restaurant, Anne? Okay, let's have an example, a sentence about a restaurant. Okay. My family and I are eating in a fancy restaurant. Fancy restaurant. Okay. Okay, and listen to teacher Anne, or I will call your mom. My family. Okay, I will call your mom and I will say Anne is not listening. Okay, so let's read this one. And my family and I are eating in a restaurant. Can you say it? Okay, I will call your mom. And do you want me to call your mom? Or I will call your dad. Okay, I will be calling your dad and I will say Anne is not listening in my class. He keeps on making drawings. Okay. So come on, let's read this one. My family and I are eating in our restaurant. Can you say it, Anne? My family and I are eating in a restaurant. Okay, again and one more. Let's read this one. And hospital,
Focus on
school. Can you
bạn
repeat
nè.
after teacher? School,
Đâu, anh không nghe Tuấn. Đâu không được. Phải nghe đâu.
home.
Home,
Very good. Restaurant.
restaurant.
Okay, very good, Anne. Thank you, Anne. Okay, let's proceed. Whoops. Okay, so this time we will be answering this one. Okay, let's read this one. And where's the doctor?
It's
The
a
answer is
doctor.
he is at the hospital.
He is the hospital.
Very good. So this one, and this is a shortened version of this one. Okay, where is
Yeah.
his or he is, and then she is or she is. Okay, so this one, he is or he's at
Vâng,
the
là đúng rồi.
hospital. Okay, how about this one, and this is a student. Okay, if I will ask you, Anne, where is the student or where's the student?
He
The answer is
the home.
he's at the
He at
classroom.
the bathroom.
Very good. So a student is in the classroom. How about a teacher? If I will ask you, where's the teacher? What is your answer? He is
He is
at
at
the classroom.
the classroom.
Okay, so he is the classroom or he is at school.
He is a school.
Okay,
The
very good.
school.
A teacher is in the classroom. Whoops. Okay, how about this one? And let's have a review about this one. Okay, let's have a review. Okay, I can say these words. Okay, what can you see in this picture? And the boy is?
It is a school.
The, the boy is
School.
singing.
The boy is singing.
So, meaning to say he is happy. How about the picture number 2? What happened to the boy? The boy is? The boy is sick.
Boy is sick.
Okay, so look at the boy. The boy has a fever. So the boy is sick. How about number three? What is the job or of this
He
man?
was in the toilet.
What's the job of this man? And
I
he is
he was
a
in the toilet.
what? He is a firefighter. Again, and can you say he's a firefighter? Hello, Anne. Are you still there, Anne? Okay, he's a firefighter. How about picture number four? Look at the face of the boy. The boy is sad. Look at the face. The boy is sad. Okay. The boy almost cried because he is very sad. Okay, so the boy is sad. Can you say it, Anne? The boy is sad. Hello, Anne. Are you still there, Anne? Are you still there? Hello, Anne. How about the picture number five, Anne? What can you see in the picture? The woman is, what is her job? She is a nurse. Again, can you say it, Anne? Nurse. Can you say she is a nurse? Hello, Anne. Okay, are you still there, Anne? How about number six? Look at the girl. The girl is happy. Okay, she is very happy. She is smiling. Okay. How about the picture number seven, Anne? Picture number seven is a cook. Hello, Anne. If you're happy and you know it, say hello.
Hello.
Okay. So you still there. Can you say Anne cook? If you're happy and you know it, show your face. Show your face, Anne. I can see your face.
Oh.
Where's your face, Anne?
Hello, sir.
Where's your face? I can see you. Okay, can you say cook? She is a cook.
Cook.
Can you say it? She is a cook.
He is the cook.
Very good. Okay, she is a cook.
Sorry.
How
Sorry.
about number eight? What is this?
Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Picture number eight is a. Okay, look at there's a food. What is that establishment? It is a restaurant.
A restaurant.
Okay, can you say the food? Can you say the food is good in our restaurant? Can you say, Anne? The food is good in the restaurant. Okay, the food is good in a restaurant. How about number 9? What is this, Anne? Number 9. Okay, can you say soccer player? Okay, it is a soccer player. How about number 10? Sleepy. I'm sleepy. Can you say it, Anne? I'm sleepy. Hello, Anne. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. Can you say, I'm tired and sleepy? I'm tired and sleepy. How about number 11? Okay, what is this? The girl is happy. The girl is happy. How about the last picture? What is this, Anne? What do you think is the last picture? It's a hospital. Hello, Anne. Can you say hospital? Very good. So we need to go when we have emergency. We need to go to the hospital. Very good, Anne. Okay, Anne, our time is over. Let's continue our lesson tomorrow. Anne.